Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo. Hello po mga ate, kuya, beshies. Kamusta na po kayo? Andito ulit ako si Chari para gumawa ng another reading. And this is for the sign of Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And of course, welcome po yung mga cross-watchers ni Taurus at yung mga bago po nating mga viewers. Tignan po natin ngayon kung ano yung ating mababasa o mabasa na mensahe para sa iyo, Taurus. Okay, na-flip. Sinasabi dito, ascending. Cassette. And photograph. Okay, so yung reading po natin ngayon, gusto ko pong matakal natin yung kung ano yung mga mabuting bagay na dadating sa inyong buhay. Okay, so something very general. So kaya tatlo po yung kinuha natin kasi we wanted to check yung pagdating sa trabaho at kaperahan, pagdating sa pamilya, at pagdating sa love life. Okay? So tignan natin isa-isa. We have the Ten of Pentacles, the Eight of Swords, the Magician, the Ten of Cups, and Temperance. Bottom niya is the Wheel of Fortune. Okay, so pagdating sa iyong trabaho at kaperahan, unang card mo pa lang, Taurus, wow. Diba? You seem to have it all, no? Parang nasa iyo na lahat. Kasi dito, sinasabi natin na hanggat sa iyong katandaan, makakaranas ka talaga ng kaginhawahan, no? Abundance. Pagdating sa hindi lang kaperahan, but ang inaano dito is more of yung fulfillment, no? Yung kung gaba ano yung ginagawa mo ngayon pagdating sa iyong trabaho, sa iyong resources, sa business, gano'n, magiging fulfilled ka because the Ten of Cups is like the ending of all, no? Ito yung pinaka-overall na katapusan in general. And this is, sabi nga natin, one of the best cards sa tarot, no? Yung maayos yung pamilya, na-fulfill mo lahat ng iyong pangarap, at maganda yung kung gabay yung patutunguhan niya, no? For the long haul, yung tinatawag natin, hanggat sa iyong katandaan, to a point that sometimes you leave your legacy behind, no? Yung tipong iniiwan mo yung legasiya mo sa iyong pamilya. If you are one of those Taurus na talagang maswerte at napakaganda ng naging career, negosyo, no? Ito yun. This is it. This is what the card is telling you right now, or the tarot cards are telling you right now. But somehow, I don't think you are really seeing it clearly. Hindi mo nakikita eh. Siyempre, kasi this is in the future, no? Parang umpisa pa lang, pinaparating na agad sa'yo. Huwag ka mag-alala. Don't worry. Because this is what's gonna happen. I mean, eventually, the way you run your life, in general, Taurus, no? Being mindful of your money, know how to earn money, and of course, yung nakadikit doon is you're very good with what you do, no? In terms of trabaho. Kasi hindi ka naman talaga mag-earn ng ganung maganda. In other words, hindi magiging maganda yung future mo kung hindi ka naging mindful o masipag sa iyong ginagawa. No? Andun yung creativity, hindi lang sipag, kundi magiging being rightful or righteous, no, with what you're doing. But sabi ko nga, you seem to be not seeing it clearly. Hindi mo nakikita. Or maybe you refuse to look at it sa ngayon. Kasi nakafocus ka lang talaga sa ginagawa mo at the moment. Okay? But you have to realize that you were given the tool to work on this. No? Binigay sa'yo lahat ng kailangan mo. Binigay sa'yo ni God lahat ng kailangan mo para ka maging successful, para maging maganda yung outcome o matupad lahat ng iyong pinapangarap, no? This is a dream, no? Pangarap to na eventually you will, sabihin natin na magiging very stable or very clear yung career path o yung pagdating sa money matters o yung business mo. Okay? Kaya naman, you're given this blessing, no? The Ten of Cups. Biro mo, Taurus, nasa iyo na yung swerte pagdating sa kaperahan, nasa iyo pa yung swerte pagdating sa kaligayahan. So both these two cards are two of the best cards sa tarot. The Ten of Pentacles and the Ten of Cups. Okay? Ang sinasabi dito, pagdating sa iyong career, money, business, or any endeavor that you want to pursue in the future, it will be successful and you will be very happy as long as you are in balance. Okay, this is temperance. You have to make sure that you are balanced, Taurus. Balance lang. Okay? Huwag sobra, huwag kulang. Tama lang. Kung ba timplado, huwag ka mag-overwork. Huwag ka rin naman magpabaya sa trabaho. Just do your mundane thing, no? Gawin mo araw-araw yung dapat mong gawin. That is why you have here ascending. Okay? Pataas. Which is true. No? Pataas. This is really getting over all the obstacles, no? Kasi hindi naman lahat, syempre, smooth sailing. But this is saying na kung ano man ang harapin mo o dadating sa'yo na mga pagsubok, pagdating sa kaperahan, sa career, sa negosyo, kayang-kaya mo na malagpasan. Matututo ka ng mga bagay na alam mo na, yung talagang makakatulong para sa iyo umangat. Kaya nga ascending, pataas. There's nothing more that is so fulfilling or good na pag malaman na pagdating dito, talagang alam mong aangat ka. Okay? So Taurus, just continue what you're doing. Kasi sabi ko nga, no? With the wheel of fortune, it is turning into your favor. Yung gulong ng kapalaran o yung destiny, umiikot ayon sa iyong pabor. So just continue doing what is good for you. Of course, in the name of our Lord Jesus, di ba? You do what is right. And make sure that you are balanced. Okay? All the time. I don't need to clarify a lot kasi na ano naman very straightforward yung sinasabi niya dito. If there's anything negative dito lang sa card is this 8 of Swords, which is sabi ko, hindi mo lang nakikita. Or maybe you don't have time to look at this seriously. But maybe that is why one of the reason kung bakit nagawa itong reading na to is just to let you know in advance that everything will be okay. No? Pataas ka. Now, let us see pagdating sa family. We have the 5 of Wands, the 7 of Wands, the 3 of Cups, the World, and the King of Pentacles. Bottom niya is the 8 of Cups. Okay, Taurus, pagdating sa family, remember, this is all a general read. Ito po ay pangkahalatang pagbasa. Okay, so sa pamilya po, this is something to do with you and your family in general po. Now, ang unang card mo dito is the 5 of Wands. Ito yung nagsasabi sa atin na pagdating sa pamilya or family matters, may mga kaguluhan, conflict, pag-aaway, diskusyon, hindi pag-aayon sa isa't isa, which is very normal. Okay? Dahil hindi natin pwedeng asahan na smooth sailing all the time ang ating relationship with each other, no, sa ating pamilya, ating magulang, ating mga kapatid, asawa, mga anak. Kasi syempre, we have our own opinions, no? We have our own way of thinking. We wanted to voice that out. So, natural yun na every now and then, we would have conflict and misunderstanding. With the 7 of Wands, of course, you wanted to be very protective of your family. Natural yan. Kung meron man tayong unang paprotektahan, yung ating pamilya, di ba? Kasi mahal natin sila eh. Kaya ayaw natin silang masaktan o masasaktan from any other elements, no? Lalo na yung sa labas na element. Okay? We wanted, of course, if we can, kung po pwede, is just to be happy all together as a family. To celebrate most of the time. Alam mo yun, yung ugali natin na magsaya lang. Masaya lang. Lalo na tayo mga Pilipino, we love celebrating. No? Gusto natin laging may okasyon, may party, may kantahan, may kainan, may sama-sama, may pagsasalo. No? Yun yung pagiging Pilipino natin. Kahit saan man tayong parte ng mundo na andoon. There's always that Filipino within us that we wanted to be with our loved ones, having a good time, singing together, dancing, making lot of jokes, nagtatawanan, eating together, enjoying the food. And that is what we wanted with the 3 of Cups. Masaya. And with the World, of course, kung meron man tayong conflict dito, sana matapos na at magkaroon ng panibagong pag-uumpisa, a new beginning. If there were really yung mga hindi magandang pangyayari sa nakaraan, which is ito nga, may conflict, matapos na at mapalitan ng panibagong cycle, no? Panibagong pag-uumpisa ng ating magandang relasyon. Something that would bring us happiness. Okay? Ang sinasabi dito, with the King of Pentacles, which is you, your element, Taurus, just be stable and secure, loyal to your family. Okay? Kasi ito yung epitome ng pagiging ganon. The King of Pentacles is somebody na talagang masasandalan mo kahit na anong aberya sa mundo. Andyan siya para sumuporta, maging matatag, magbigay ng yung kanyang share pagdating sa mga gastusin. Very responsible energy. Okay? So just stay to be who you are sa family. Okay? Now, ano bang inaano? Kasi if you are planning, no? Kasi this is in a way parang going away. Ipag-alis. Surely, mamimiss mo to. Mamimiss mo yung family mo. If you're planning to go away, maybe work abroad or be with someone, or the thing is, o hindi man lang, or just to be independent. Talagang, I think you will be missing this. Now, ano bang card natin dito? Cassette. Sa mga netizens natin na hindi nakakaintindi, ano ba yung cassette? Alam mo, panahon to ng mga 60s, 70s, 80s, hanggang 90s yata, I think, may cassette pa. I think. Not totally sure, but definitely hanggang 80s meron yan. Cassette is a way to record your voices, no? Or sounds or music. It is to let you know na through this gadget, mapapakinggan mo siya paulit-ulit, no? With the cassette player. Kasi nag-recording ka dito. Kung gaba ngayon, we're doing recording through our phone. Now, ito yung cassette ito yung dati ng panahon. Yung mga sinabi kong dekada. Now, bakit pa tayo nagre-recording? Bakit tayo nagkakaset? Kasi ito yung gadget na nakakatulong sa atin para mailabas mo yung iyong damdamin. Kung gusto mo mapahatid dun sa mga mahal mo sa buhay kung malayo ka sa kanila. Okay? So, in absence of calling, kasi mahal kasi ang long distance call noon dahil wala pang ang mga cellphone. So you record your voice sa cassette and you send it to your family para mapakinggan nila yung boses mo ng matagal at marami siyang masabi kasi isang maliit lang siyang gadget na ganun eh. Pero matagal yung mare-record mo sa kanya. Depende kung how many minutes yung nabili mong cassette. Okay? So, ang sinasabi niya dito is medyo may pagka-outdated na talaga. Matagal na kasi ito eh. Hindi na siya napapanahon. Pero, kung titignan mo, isa siyang paraan para makapag-convey ka ng message, hindi ba? Oo, makaluma siya, pero hindi naman niya sinabing masama. Pwedeng wala nang gumagamit niyan eh. O pwedeng meron pang kaunti na nakakagamit pa nito. Kung buhay pa yung cassette recorder nyo. And it is nice to go back those olden days. Kasi, di ba parang nare-recall mo na, wow, noon ganito lang kami. Ganito kami kasimple. Kahit na magkakalayo kami, nagkakaintindihan pa rin kami. Walang masyadong gulo. Walang masyadong conflict. No, walang gulo. It is also telling us that hindi naman maging masama maging makaluma pagdating sa pagpatakbo ng iyong pamilya. In other words, if you still retain that old ways of bringing up your children, there's nothing wrong. Kasi dun din tayo lumaki before, di ba? Yung mga magulang natin, no? Ganun tayo pinalaki. The way I see things is maganda naman yung outcome. Diba? In general, ha? In general, people. In general, Taurus. Hindi ko rin naman sinasabi na masama yung patakbo ngayon, no? The way our netizens, our G-sens, our millennials are the way they think, no, the way they want their life to be, you know, crossing or parang gliding through life. Sinasabi ko, walang masama na bumalik din sa nakaraan. Wala ring masama na mag-adapt tayo ngayon. Just be who you are. That's the most important thing. Kasi ito, if you were able to preserve yung usefulness ng kaset, kahit na outdated na siya, hindi na siya uso, mabuti pa rin siya, di ba? Na-create siya, ginawa siya nung panahon na yon kasi yun ang nakakabuti, yun ang nakakatulong, yun ang nakakaalis ng pain sa malungkot na araw kapag wala kang nakakausap o hindi mo nakakausap ang iyong mga magulang, ang iyong kapatid na malayo sa'yo. This is something to do with being far, kasi 8 of Cups, being far away. So just, remember the good old days. Kasi nga sabi ko nga, what you wanted is really more of happiness, no? Maging masaya lang. Every time you and your family are getting together. Okay? So, in general, yes, we have conflicts, which is very normal. Kaya very protective ka. But there is always that feeling of sana maging happy kami. And if there were any conflicts, mag-end na yon at mag-start all over again with a new and happy life. Just be your self, Taurus, no? Be supportive and be stable about yung family life mo. Okay? Now, doon naman tayo sa love life. We have the 7 of Cups, the Page of Swords, the 3 of Wands, the Sun, and the 2 of Pentacles. Bottom niya is the Queen of Pentacles. Okay, so dito, Taurus, ang nakuha natin card dyan is photograph. This is really saying na you are missing someone. Meron kang gustong makita muli o parang gusto mo mag-reminisce, no? Bumalik sa nakaraan at photograph kasi is in a way, di ba? Ba't ba tayo kumukuha ng picture? Ba't tayo nagsiselfie? To remember things, to go back, pagbalik nun, pag nakita natin, uy, ang ganda ko dito, or kinuha ko tong picture na to dito sa lugar na to, and with my friends, or nag-iisa lang ako but I enjoyed myself, mga ganon. Because you want to look back, no? Gusto mong balikan. You want to look dun sa picture mo o sa picture ng family mo or picture ng loved ones mo o yung person. And definitely there is that feeling of loneliness, no? Yung namimiss mo, kaya mo tinitignan muli, diba? Hindi ka naman basta tingin agad doon sa mga nasa photos mo sa gallery, diba? Sa cellphone mo. Kuha ka lang ng kuha, just keep it there for a while, but there would be times na you will go back and look at it talaga na parang, uy, sabi ko, meron pala akong picture na ganito. Ang ganda, ang cute, ang saya namin dito, yung mga ganon. Now, anong ibig sabihin niya dito? Kasi, maybe you are having this feeling of confusion. No, when it comes to love life, medyo confused ka eh. Gulo isipan mo. Hindi mo kasi matanto, no? With the Page of Swords na, ano ba totoo? What is the truth? Ano ba talaga? You keep asking yourself. Kasi, ang tagal mo na nag-iintay. You've been waiting for that happiness to happen. No? If you would look at this, itong aisle na to, it is all about happiness. We have the Ten of Cups, the world, and the sun. Magiging maligayang kapag nagkaroon ng panibagong pag-uumpisa. No? You will have that fulfillment, a new beginning. It's all about happiness. No? Hinihintay mo yan na mangyari. Hinihintay mo siguro dumating yung talagang true love mo. Yung talagang magpapaka, sabihin natin, magtitibok yung puso mo ng matindi. Kasi sa ngayon parang, alam mo yun, nag-aalinlangan kayo. You are in between trying to make a decision. Ngayon na ba? Hindi. Oo na ba? Hindi. No? Yes or no? Now or not? Or now or later? Parang ganun eh. Black or white? Ganun. No? Hindi mo maintindihan. Parang gulong-gulo ka. And yet, you wanted to be happy. Dating sa love life. Ito yung counterpart dito, di ba? Being you. This is also your energy, Taurus. The Queen of Pentacles. Queen of Pentacles is somebody na talagang, again, the same characteristics as the King. Stable siya. Secure siya. Very loyal. Somebody na alam mong would be a very good partner in life. No? Talagang pagtatrabahuhan niya mabuti yung kanyang pamilya at ang kanyang career. Ibig sabihin kung siya ay working mom, yes, magtatrabaho siya to earn more money, to help yung spouse, to earn more money. At the same time, hindi niya kakaligtaan yung kanyang responsibility as the mother, making sure that all the children or the child is being taken care of. No? Pati yung bahay, lahat, aayusin mo eh. Hindi ka magpapabaya sa iyong responsibilidad. And that is very good. No? Talagang, you are in your element. That's what I'm trying to say. Focus. Naka-focus ka dyan. Para sa'yo, ito ang aking dapat ginagalawan. Wala akong ibang dapat na distraction. Okay? So, what else could angel advise? Pagdating sa love life pala, you're just getting confused, which is ito nga, hindi ka na makadecide because you've been waiting. Let me just check bago ko gawin to. So, there's something in me that is asking, ano yung, ba't andito yung Three of Wands? Ba't andito yung Three of Wands? We have the Page of Wands, the Six of Pentacles, and the Ace of Cups. So, ano ba yung iniintay mo? What are you waiting for? To receive that passionate message? To make sure that it is an equal give and take relationship? And this will bring you that new love. Yun yung iniintay mo. Okay? Now, just ask for an advice. Ano po yung gusto niyo sabihin ni Taurus? Advice. It says you're ready. Handa ka na eh. Sinasabi dito, handa ka na. Handa ka na for this love life. If you are trying to make that decision to get involved or to be with someone, you are ready. Handa ka na eh. You just need to make that decision. Kasi sa ngayon, ang sinasabi dito, you're confused, no? Medyo naguguluhan ka pa. Hindi ka pa sure. Hindi ka pa sure. But sinasabi ni Angel, the God, Universe, handa ka na. Okay? So, Taurus, kung kanino mong enerhiya itong nakuha natin ngayon sa pagbasa na ito, sana nakatulong ito sa inang malaki. Maraming salamat sa pagsama mo sa akin sa pagbasa na ito. Sa susunod po muli, ingat ka and God bless.